Welcome back to Maths with Mr. Duffield. We're doing some A-level for the Deps. Also did a bit of work on this with my UF a few weeks ago. Might be interested in watching this. Anyway, linear interpolation, the technique to estimate the median by effectively doing a bit of proportional reasoning, really. First of all, for this question, noticing that my ranges go up to and including the upper and lower points, meaning I don't need to do any adjustment to these ranges. They can stay as they are. But I do need to add a cumulative frequency column almost to this data set, because we're dealing with running total with median halfway up the running total. So obviously first group is 15, then 46. 46 plus 32, that's 78, 81, 91, 101, and then 118, and then 120 for the total cumulative frequency. Just adding up all of the numbers, easiest mark in the GCSE, and so it is here as well. The total frequency is 120, so the median is going to be halfway up, or the 60th number. The question is, which of these groups does the 60th number lie in? Well, by the time I've measured 60 minutes of the length of the stay at this cyber cafe, it's a bit awkward, probably not open right now, I've seen 46 people. And by the time I've measured up to 90 minutes, I've seen 78. So between 46 and 78, well, 60 lies between these two values. So it's got to lie within this group, this range, 60 and 90. Okay, that's the first and probably most important thing that we need to see. And then once we've done that, we're going to set up our number line. That's right. Oh, that was meant to be a straight line, never mind. So the length of stay in minutes is going to be between 60, oops, let me move this over here, and 90. And the number of cumulative frequency is going to be between 46 and 78. Okay, now we know between 46 and 78, the 60th value is going to lie proportionally. It's, I don't know, about that much. Don't know. The 60th value. And the value of our median, Q2, is the value that we're trying to find. Now that we've set up this number line, we can effectively start setting up some fractions, okay? Effectively, remember what we said in class. This length divided by this length is the same size as this length divided by this length. In other words, Q2 minus 60 over 90 minus 60 equals 60 minus 46 over 78 minus 46. Oh yes, it's all coming together. Because what we have here is a pair of fractions. We can simplify numerators and denominators, and we can solve for the thing that we don't know, in this case, Q2. Just think of Q2 as an algebraic term. So, let's do that. Q2 minus 60, and then minus 60, that's 30. 60 minus 46, oh crumbs, that's 2014. 78 minus 46, that's 32. Is that right? 32? Yeah. And then I'm going to times both sides by 30 and add 60 to both sides to get Q2 on its own. It's just a case of doing inverse operations, yeah? Both sides times by 30, this step, and then add 60 to both sides to get rid of this negative 60 there. Okay, I'm going to grab my calculator to do that work, because as you all know, I'm lazy. Why do any work when the calculator can do it for me? So, my Q2 estimate is 73.125. 73.125. Let's look back up here. Between 60 and 90. The same proportion along between 60 and 90 as 60 is between 46 and 78. Does 73.125 fit? Seems kind of sensible, doesn't it? It would be conceivable that it would be about there on that number line. So yes, that is linear interpolation to estimate the median. Top stuff.